Lovely engine, just run in.
And then some.
Yeah. Steve just started stripping this engine down. We're just going through a batch of engines for core material. This is the worst one I've ever seen. I've seen pictures of a really bad one. It came out of a 30,000 mile SD1, which is on our website. This came out of a, would you say, Steve, just over 100,000?
110.
Yeah, 110,000 mile Range Rover Classic, off-roader. Probably had its oil changed twice.
With mud.
Sorry, with mud, yeah. So I've never been able to do this, but we'll have a dig in the rocker area. This is top quality sludge. I have noticed as well the camshaft shot, but I think that's the last of our worries, to be honest with you. So, yeah. We could send it away to a laboratory to see what exactly is carbon dated. Yeah. Come on then, how bad is yours? Let's see a video or picture of what you've opened up. I think I'll do it, Steve.
I reckon so.
Yeah.